In this video I'm going to show you how to add colour to this and how to produce a orthographic drawing of it. So we're going to click Design, Render, which is on the far left. You'll then notice that we've got the picture in the background. We don't want that picture in the background. So where it says Canvas on the left, we're going to click the eye to turn that canvas off. Now the beach ball at the top, we're going to click that. And in here we've got lots and lots of different materials. We're going to click plastic. If you want to choose a different one you can. ABS, or if they've got PLA, let me check which is the material you use. They haven't, so we're going to just go ABS. There's a little arrow, so I'm going to click that arrow to download it. I'm then going to drag it onto my piece. Now to change the colour of this, if I right click that, so right click ABS, click edit, I can then go and change it to whatever colour I want it to be. I'm going to go with that blue. So I can adjust the slider, and then I can adjust this by left clicking and dragging. And I'm going to click done. Then what you can do is you can click this play button at the top, and it will actually start rendering your product so that it looks really realistic. If you would like to make it even better quality, at the bottom right over here we can left click and drag this triangle, change it to infinite. It will take a little bit longer, and then the quality will start to improve and become less dotty over time. Just going to wait a few minutes for that to finish rendering. Once it looks around this quality, at this point I could print screen this and add it onto my PowerPoint. So I would literally click print screen on my keyboard, which is next to F12. I would then take a screenshot by left clicking and dragging, and I would then, if I just create a new slide, right click, paste as image, and I would add that onto a PowerPoint slide. You could do this from multiple viewpoints if you wanted to. To be honest, one would be acceptable. Right, I'm going to stop that now. So I'm going to click the stop button. We're going to go back to design by left clicking, render, click design. And now I'm going to show you how to do a technical drawing. So we're going to click design, drawing from design. It will then select all of this. Just want to check you've got full assembly, create new, from scratch, ISO, millimeters, A3. To be honest, I'm going to change that to A4 because I think A4 will be big enough. Landscape, and then I'm going to click OK. So the only adjustment you need to change is the sheet size, and that is to A4. Now it'll take a little bit of time just for it to do some thinking, so please be patient. Excellent. Now at the minute where it says scale, so don't click anything at all, we want to change the scale to ratio 1:1. Unfortunately that is massive, so we're going to change it instead to the ratio 1:2. That is much better. So the scale of it will be 1:2. I am now going to left click it in the centre, like that. And then at the top left, we're going to click projected view. So it's this one just here. We're then going to select it. We're going to go hover upwards. Might take a little while again. I'm then going to click that there. I'm then going to do the side views. Side view again. And I'm now going to click the base. I'm also going to add, if I can, a view for there and a view for there. We're now going to right click and we're going to click OK. And what you will end up with is a technical drawing, so an orthographic drawing of your cookie cutter. Now the one thing that's missing at this point is measurements. So at the top of dimensions up here, you will see that there's one that's called Auto Dimensions. We're going to left click that, and then we're just going to see which one is the best one. And as you can see, there's lots of different measurements on here, so it is going to be really, really complex. However, if I click that, the top one, where it says density, I can actually reduce the density because that is far too many measurements to be dealing with. So I'd say that is enough measurements. I'm now going to click OK. I would then click print screen next to F12 again. Left click and drag. Go back to my PowerPoint. Right click, paste as image. And you've now got a technical drawing of your cookie cutter as well as a 3D rendered full picture. At that point, you then print it off and stick it in your books.